Peace, welcome everybody. This is the PhilosoCypher, episode 1. I am Pepito. The PhilosoCypher is a series of video tutorials where I combine my philosophy and training techniques and I share them with you guys. These techniques and philosophy I've developed in the last 21 years of being involved in breaking and hip-hop culture. Today I'll be discussing what I like to call the Tai Chi Style approach to training when we're talking about breaking. What is the Tai Chi Style approach to breaking training? For me, it's a meditative movement. So I'm trying to get into that space of no thought. The movements are extremely slow and I'm concentrating on going with the flow and where the movement of my body takes me. Who should be implementing the Tai Chi style of breaking training? I think this is a beneficial practice to all beginners, intermediate, advanced, masters. When do we implement this type of practice? I personally like to do it in the mornings as a meditation exercise. I also like to do it for recovery, so a slower day. If I've been training for multiple days and I want a bit of a recovery for my body, I also like to do it as a warm-up before the session starts, or if I'm working on a particular technique. And also I have done it before when I've had a certain body part being injured. Okay, where can we practice in this Tai Chi style? The beauty of this exercise is that you can practice anywhere. I personally like to do it outdoors, in a park or in nature. I think it's a great way to practice if you're limited with space. Okay, how do we implement this style of training? I like to do it with no music, so there's no distractions around me. I always do it alone, and we want to almost feel like we can lose track of time. There's no thoughts. We are just flowing. We are relaxed and we're being as creative as possible. Okay, why I choose to practice in the Tai Chi style? I think it improves your efficiency in your movement. It improves your control, body control, mind control. It improves your technique, which goes hand in hand with efficiency. So if you have a good technique, then you're going to be more efficient and your style is going to look better. It builds awareness and your touch on the floor, being aware of where your body position is, your hands, your feet, what kind of sounds you're making on the floor, whether you're scraping your feet or you're falling out of balance. It improves quality of movement all around. It improves my freestyle ability, so I'm more likely to lose that fear of not knowing where I'm going because I've already practiced going into the unknown. It has really, really good aerobic endurance benefits. The longer you practice like this, the longer you can concentrate on breathing. It also improves balance, which is super important. And it also pinpoints your focus, increases your level of concentration. When you can really focus in on something, build your awareness, you're going to have more avenues to play and you're going to fix up all of those little holes or weaknesses that you have in your style. Okay, that is the Tai Chi style approach to breaking training. I hope that helped you out. Implement all of the points and find your own way of using this technique, elaborate on it and make it yours.